What's up, GTA? Ready to decode the real estate game? It's your LSV Daily Market Snap, delivering the latest numbers, lightning fast. Today, we're zeroing in on Leaside. What's the true 30-day story shaping this highly sought-after community? Let's break it down. For Leaside's single-family homes, we've seen sold listings level out, yet properties are still selling in under 30 days. The average price stands strong at $2,420,000. Now, a different narrative unfolds for condos and condo towns. Sold listings are on the rise, and they're also being snapped up faster. The average price? A robust $1,170,000. Is Leaside calling your name? Don't miss your moment. Find your expert real estate pro at lifestylevideos.com right now. Arm yourself with knowledge and own your move.